Hello, beautiful babes, and welcome back to Sugar Fingers. If this is the first time you're checking out the videos, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and be sure to stick and stay to the end. Today we're going to be doing my nails. I wanted to tell you first of all regarding prepping your nails for any nail enhancement, be sure you dehydrate and prime your nails properly. Today, just to dehydrate my nails, removing the oils, I am using alcohol. Alcohol is perfect for your natural nails to remove the excess oils. Once you've completed dehydrating the nails, you can also buy a dehydrator, or alcohol is fine. You go ahead and prime the nails. This primer I got out of a kit, but always apply a nail primer to your natural nails. This will help ensure that your nail enhancements, whatever you're putting on your nails, will adhere to your actual nails. Whether you're doing gel polish, acrylic, nail art, etc. Always make sure your primer dries at least 90 seconds or so, air dry, before beginning to apply the gel polish, acrylic, or nail art. Now, you all may recall that I did an unboxing of the Vafee acrylic nail system. It came with the actual acrylic, the monomer, and a dampened dish. Today, I am going to be using this on my nails. So I've already prepped my nails, but now I gotta set up my little kit. So here is the dampened dish, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up and put in the monomer. So here is the monomer, or they call it acrylic liquid, along with the acrylic powder. You get like 4 ounces of the acrylic powder, and you get a little over 5 ounces of the acrylic liquid. So I'm just going to take the acrylic liquid and pour it into my dampened dish. The bottle of the acrylic liquid has a nice little pour spout to help with, sometimes we get a little messy in pouring the stuff out. So it helps it not to spill, even though I did dribble a little bit of it onto the dampened dish. So now we get ready to go ahead and get our brush prepped. So I am using the Purple Wood Kolinsky acrylic nail brush in a size 10. This also came from Amazon, and it ran about $25.99. You know, Kolinsky hair is supposed to be the best hair brush or brush that you can use for your acrylic nails. It really helps it to lay smoothly and to go on properly, and it doesn't have the acrylic all clinging to the hairs. It's supposed to be the best. So I'm just swishing it around and cleaning it off, prepping it for getting ready to do my acrylic nails. And this is really the actual first time I'm doing acrylic on camera, so bear with me. I'm really new to this, but I really wanted to try this myself and see if I could actually do this. So this portion of it I may speed up just a little bit, but I'm just showing you the steps here. I dip my brush into the liquid monomer, acrylic monomer, and then I dip it into the powder. I let the liquid absorb, or the powder absorb the liquid until it is easy to maneuver here, and I put it on. Now I noticed with this particular acrylic, it was really kind of runny or gooey, which was a little bit different from my first experience with acrylic. Not sure of the reason for that. I, of course, am not a professional nail tech, so I really didn't know what could be the quick fix for this. I'm not really sure, but all I could do was what I could do, and I tried to work with it as best I could. And I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. So this is my process here, with starting with my thumb. I put on more than one coat of the acrylic, as you'll be able to see as I speed through this process. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up all of the nails. Unfortunately, I'm not good at this camera angle. I kept getting out of frame. I will get that together as soon as I'm together. At this point, I'm not, but I'll let you see what you can see here as I finish my left hand. So I finished putting on the acrylic on my left hand, and let me just try to get you where you can actually see what I've done here. And this is how my thumb looks botched. Well, it's on there, but I have some imperfections that I'm pretty sure I can use my e-file and fix, or my buffer, and fix whatever imperfections are there. So at this point, I thought maybe I could do the quick fix by using more acrylic. So here I am trying to apply more. Again, this is so different from what I thought acrylic would be. It is really like gooey, but it may be easier to work with once I get the hang of it. But right now, I'm just very unskilled. But I'm going to keep trying, testing out different kits so I can get the hang of it and eventually get, my hands working where I can get this stuff looking very presentable. And but right now it's not. But I am going to file it down once it sets and apply some nail polish to it and be happy, because I've got to have the stability to my nails. All I can say is, yes, I did try. I did try. So here I am just shaping up my nails. I've completed, that I know of, putting on all the acrylic that I need to. In case I need more, I will do that, but who knows. But this is what my nails look like so far, and this is what the acrylic on, and I've shaped them up pretty much. I mean, they were already pretty much shaped when I actually started it, but this is what they look like, and not so bad. So now I'm just gonna wipe them off, clean them up, and get ready to apply some nail polish here momentarily. So this is not so bad. So my final thoughts of the Vafee acrylic nail kit here is, it's an overall pretty decent little kit. The smell of the acrylic liquid, or monomer you may call it, is pretty strong, but to me, if you're a professional, you should be able to work with it just fine. If you're new to acrylic, you should be able to work with it because it is less, what can I say? It doesn't dry as fast as some of the acrylics that are out there, so you should be able to work with it just fine. Listen, I thought it was a great buy, especially with me trying it out for the first time pretty much, and just a little kit that had everything that I needed in it. So I will continue to more than likely use it if I continue to do acrylic nails. So far, my favorite and most simplest for me is dip powder nails, and then from there I love to do the poly gel, and if nothing else on my nails, I just prefer gel nail polish, and that's for the most part it. But this is part of my little arsenal now, and I'll continue to play around with it for various reasons. The Vafee acrylic nail kit with the acrylic powder and the acrylic liquid monomer included in it as well, along with the dampened dish, and this is it. So this is my take, beautiful babes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and drop a like on it. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and if you are a DIY nail kind of person, make sure you let me know in the comments. And if not, you just like hanging out with me, I appreciate that as well. Thanks again. Thanks for stopping by Sugar Fingers, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Be sure you keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye.